My mother's family, the name of Mamzelle, maiden name is Tulsi. Tulsi, that's the Indian name. So my grandmother, the mother of my father, the grandmother, grandmother. But my mom called Lakpati. That's it, Indian names. All brothers sisters with Bani, because Tulsi, my grandmother, the maiden name, and he got married with Mr. Bani. Mr. Bani worked like policeman in a guard prison in Mauritius. My father, the name of my grandfather, name Félix Léger. Félix Léger works in the factory of sugarcane. Yeah? A good job, a nice job. And then my grandfather died. The name is Léger, and the second name, Christian name is Félix. Oh. Well, when the father, my father now, the second grandfather, c'est l'arrière-grand-père qui est mort, et puis le grand-père. C'est le grand-père Bizarriel et le grand-père papa, parce que c'est papa.
Ça veut dire le grand-père, cela veut dire notre grand-père.
Le grand-père côté papa.
Right. Le papa change the name.
To use the first Christian name as the surname.
And drop Léger.
Ouais. Right. Mais moi je pense que le nom Léger, ça se passe tellement. Papa il peut faire Félix alors le produit qui devient surnom.
Oui. Mais pourquoi pas Léger?
Léger, mais c'est parce que là, ça c'est une bonne question. A separation of the family between mom and dad.
Oh, right.
Dad is Creole, mom is descendant indien.
Ça veut dire les parents, là, les familles, les parents, the relatives.
Right.
Didn't like it. Cause
one was Creole and one was Indian.
Elle a fréquenté, puis après il est décédé, elle a épousé sa deuxième sœur.
Is that your grandmother's family, whether she had brothers or sisters?
Yeah,
right.
Not that we know, she doesn't have any sisters, but she had two daughters, my mother.
Your mother.
And another daughter called Therese. And my father was going to marry this Therese, and courting for 5 years, and then she died.
Oh.
So, and then after that my father married my mother.
I work like notary clerk.
Pardon?
Père de terre.
Oh, oui,
Notary clerk.
Notary clerk.
And then I joined I like the uniform. My first uniform was enfant de chœur. Enfant de chœur in church.
Altar boys. First uniform.
Everybody said, this man will be a priest. It was not my choice anyway. I joined the Navy. My Mauritius Volunteer Force.
Mauritius Navy, yeah.
Every Friday afternoon we have the drill, some practice just to manage the rifle. Oh, ping!
Yes, you have
because we are you got a return this rifle and put it on your boom, go back. So I still my shoulder.
How old were you then?
At that time, I was very young. I was 19 years.
19 years?
19 years.
Yeah.
And then I, after the notary clerk, I say I would like to be in the manual mechanic. I like mechanic. Up to now. Yeah. Well, then I don't want to suppose. I try to go overseas. Smile. I think the best thing to do to be a sailor. The captain, when a ship comes, you have to go out and drive the ship to come in the airport. The, yeah.
To the key, yeah.
To the
key.
Oh, yeah,
To the-
yeah.
So I got a friend with him to have a good chance to travel on the sea, be a seaman. I take my first passport, seaman. So I am a seaman. Oh, I'm very happy, I'm seaman.
Because you just asked the captain
Yeah, I have the captain
to,
to have
to go.
protect to me, to have the chance to go over there because,
You
you
get
know,
to know them.
Yeah.
and
you know,
then-
I'm a sailor, or the army and sailor, the volunteer. I always volunteer.
Wow.
All right, put me right. Okay. I have I remember that it was a American ship coming, called Good Fortune, but the scientific is that. So I lose the sign because I was not at home. The Greek ship, I say all right. I was sailor from the Mauritius up to Durban, in South Africa, Durban.
Durban, yeah.
I want to go to Cape Town, but I stopped. I got seasick. Got seasick. I can't stand by. So the captain said to me, okay, we stop to Johannesburg. The ship stopped in Johannesburg. I go to the restaurant in Johannesburg. I spent 8 days, a good week anyway, in this hospital. Well, not pay me to do the hotel.
Mhm.
The
They didn't put you in the hotel.
no,
Put you in the hospital.
no, that's my hotel.
That's your hotel. Okay.
Okay, all right. was funny anyway, and then I come back to Mauritius.
They send you back
Yes, I went back to
in
Mauritius.
another ship.
Another ship, same company. Anyway.
Okay, so what happened to Good Fortune then? Because you left on Good Fortune.
No, the Good Fortune, I missed the Good
You
Fortune.
miss a Good
I
Fortune.
missed the Good Fortune.
Okay.
So I'm happy now.
Yeah.
For the Good Fortune.
Right.
The second one, I got CC.
Yeah.
That's not a Good Fortune.
No. So they send you back.
They sent me back with some money, pocket money.
All right,
Yeah.
right,
All right.
yeah. That's
And
when
then,
you knock on the door, you just appear.
and then I say to my landlord, I want to be a mechanic. Okay, we have a post available in Morocco. I say, my God, where is Morocco?
One or two.
Morocco. Yeah.
Morocco.
Good morning.
What are you doing in Morocco? I say, all right. I say, okay, sir, I will be there. I spent 1 month on a boat up to Morocco,
One
no,
month on
up to
boat.
Marseille.
Yeah, would be.
Up to Marseille.
Yeah.
I was accompanied with my uncle.
And how old are you in 1966? Kalaj.
Oh, 21 maybe,
21.
31,
31.
Yeah,
Ah, okay.
31.
Yeah.
Up to now, I got my lips up
Ah.
Oh, so-
and my eyes here.
So, driving in Morocco,
No, the son of my boss
Son,
side
the son
driving.
was driving
son
him.
driving in Morocco.
In Morocco.
In Morocco, yes.
And he didn't have a
I
license.
got the crash.
Yeah.
I never want to see again my face in
Yeah.
the glass. In the glass. Very glad, very happy. So I take
Plane.
a plane to England. I got a visa. But the consul said to you come to stay here or you come to working or
They could see you got your clothes here to stay.
Right.
And they decided you have come to stay.
Yeah.
So you're not just a visitor.
yeah. And then they call
Uncle Marcel.
Marcel by phone with motors go to catch Marcel.
Yeah.
And Marcel take a car, I suppose, with Polo,
Yeah.
come to see me there in the the airport, Heathrow. So, question. So, not to worry, I will go to France. Well, I go to France.
So they refuse you,
Refuse
entry,
the entry.
and they put you back on the plane,
Oh.
same plane, or
Same plane.
to return you to
No,
France.
to France.
Right.
Arrive in France, I take the same hotel before I go. The boss the hotel tell me, vous êtes déjà là, vous êtes déjà arrivé. Je dis non, je ne fais pas beau là-bas.
You said you're back already. You said it's not very good over there.
Je demande à garçon d'hôtel, je ne sais pas la presse de la Légion étrangère. I ask the men of the hotel
Oh, you
can
asked the
find
hotel, yeah.
can find the address, the phone of the Legion.
Yeah.
I say, what? You want to go over there? I say, yes, why not? Well, you're mad. I said, "Oh, well." So he gave me the address and the phone. I said, before I go, like you protest, when you go to find a job, you have to put your transfer, your
best clothes on.
very close on.
Get your head
I
on.
go to the hair, c'est coiffeur, I do coiffeur.
Hairdresser, barber,
Barber, I'll go to
do
barber.
your hair.
Take my hair, all right, here. I take the taxi. Oh, des gens étrangers. Voilà, voilà. Bonjour monsieur, je viens pour m'engager. Good morning, sir. I come to be a legionnaire. Okay. That is the post. We call it post police because you get the entrance of the fort. It was a fort for the Nation. It was a fort. There are four.
Oh, it's a fort.
Right. You stay here. The couple will show you your room. Those I still have my bag. My clothes in the hotel. So, okay, I'll give you a 4-2. 4-2, c'était la Jeep.
Oh, give you a Jeep, yeah.
Et ils appellent ça 4-2. Je dis, oh, 4-2, c'est quoi ça? Je pensais que c'est encore un truc de l'espace.
So what is can do?
So they give me a room. There are five, 6 foreigners. We have the German, many German at the time. Yeah, many German, very German. And some Portugal, Espagnol. Parce qu'Espagnol avec Franco, ils sont désertés un peu pour rentrer en...
But in the Legion.
C'est in the Legion. They
Yeah.
take F, like for, lui, like Lucien.
Right.
For Lucien.
What's your name?
Well, but just a look about my mom and dad. They all got the Indian name, and my father, a Christian name.
Right.
So I got for Lucien. It was very odd. For Lucien. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, so you dream or what? Or something like that. That's sort of the. He said, who will come? Will be a legionnaire. It's sort about true right. Doctor said, all right, fitness. We have a good fitness, but we have all these things. Now you start you to Bonifacio in course. So we go both to Bonifacio. I go to Bonifacio.
Where is that Bonifacio?
Huh?
Where is Bonifacio?
Bonifacio is in Corsica.
Ah oui, oui.
And then after 6 months, you go to have a lost fitness. If you are good to have a capable,
All right.
so some have to wait double
All right.
the 6 months. But very when last time you feel fed up, sorry, because me I say because I got the face like with that Oh, I'm very dangerous. I was very dangerous. So I suppose. I say, okay. I do my best anyway, because I don't think up to if I have to go back to Mauritius or not. So I got my finesse right. I go to Monkey Blanc with the ceremony, with drink and so on. Very funny. And we go to, that dispatch. We dispatch the section, on the section. We dispatch the section. Then I was in Algeria. Oh my God. Once again. Now I go like a soldier. I say, all right, okay. I do 3 years in infantry and 2 years in cavalry.
All in Algeria?
No, all, not finished.
Sorry.
I have 5 years to do. Do everything in desert. We have able of water for 1 day only. So you have to do your coffee, clean your face, toilets. Well,
Camouflage, is it?
yeah. So that's we do. Well, at night time when we go in your camp, for two person, small like this, with a rifle on your head.
Underground?
Yeah. So you keep eyes on what happened and so and so. Well, night time it was very cold on the sand, very cold, and you have the take care about the scorpion, the animals, something like that. So there, yeah. So we got 2-3 gazelle. So,
For practice.
and wait, that is to practice, and you wait as well. So we go on to fight with Opération Survivre.
Right, to survive.
To survive.
That training is about survival.
Right.
So that's why they have to shoot the gazelle.
Oh,
And
God.
then
Et c'est là qu'on mange mieux, on fait la grille aussi.
Alright, yeah.
Comme-
Yeah,
comme barbecue.
grill it like a barbecue.
En Tahiti, avec la bombe atomique, là. La bombe,
Atomic bomb.
oui. Quand ils ont fait des essais. Ouais.
When they were trial, what do you call it?
Yes.
Trial of atomic bomb.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Tests, yeah.
Test.
Et là, moi j'étais à Mirowa, dans les atolls, il n'y a que les militaires. L'atoll c'est comme petite île, tu vois, c'est un petit small island, desert, and the military.
Only the military people
Yeah.
would be there.
When we want to have food, the plane go around the island and put the potatoes, something here.
All
with
right, for
like-
food, they just drop
Food drops.
food drops from the
Yeah,
plane
yeah.
above their head, yeah.
Okay, that's all right. The bomb is all right. So we spent about 3 months in the atoll. We call the atoll. 3 months here and go to Tahiti for holidays. One month holidays.
1 month holidays.
Holidays. Yeah.
Oh.
You go to Tahiti, the south Tahiti. We travel by plane or by boat.
So you were there when the bomb went off?
Oui.
Yeah.
No.
Near-
The bomb is what Mirowa is there.
Yeah.
Mirowa,
Yeah.
the small island.
Yeah.
Only the base militaire, the scientific, les savants, les ingénieurs,
Yes,
ceux
the
qui expérimentent la bombe.
Oh, right, okay.
So their
right.
job was like a frontier to
Yeah,
stop,
to stop spies.
to stop spies while the
Yeah, so
Americans
they
did
were-
the testing.
Donc, notre rôle, c'est de les empêcher
the spies to
d'entrer,
come in, yeah.
surtout l'espionnage à cette époque-là.
Yeah.
So it was an American test, was it? Or American bomb? Or?
Non,
French
French bomb.
French
French
bomb,
bomb.
French.
French bomb. Yeah. Why I not write to mom and dad to say where I am?
No.
Because it was very difficult for me to explain that. It was very hard for me to explain what to do. Like I say, if I say my dad, my mom, I was a legionnaire. Because my mom also he was a legionnaire. But not same legionnaire. The same legionnaire, the church legionnaire.